Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uthobile Khumalo Mseleku, mfana Musa Mseleku we-3 uthi yena akayadile into yokuthi yena ushiya phansi umshado wakhe, uthi njena uyamangala uyaqala kuvanga. And this was after people said ukuthi uma Khumalo ushiya umshado wakhe nalapha ku-Instagram sokhiphe asibongo sakamseleku wabhala sakhe saKhumalo uthi yena le nto lena eyikhulumako iyamshaqisa nje iyamqaka because yena akasashintshe lutho ku-Instagram yakhe. Uthi yena she's verified lapha ku-Instagram, meaning ukuthi akakhona ukutshintsha lutho ayakhe laphana. Sibongo sakhe lasebenzisa saKhumalo uthi kudzala nje vele asebenzisa sona. Uthi futhi njena yena yokuthi uyamshiya kuMusa Mseleku qha iyamcaka akayadi. Yena uthi njena yena nemyeni wakhe they are very much happy, thanks. Uthi le nikubona lapha ku-account yakhe nguloku vele lubeke laphana, but nami ngiyakhumbula mani ukuthi bekunamseleku somewhere. I'm not sure ukuthi Mseleku ubeka kuphi, but I do remember ngibona Mseleku ku-bio yakhe. I'm not sure ukuthi ku-bio or vele bekasebenzisa lesibongo angithobile Khumalo Mseleku. I'm not sure about that, but uyasho nje yena ukuthi cha lokhu nina lenimtshela kona yena akakwade. Yena account yakhe kudzali nje overifayiwe, meaning akakhona ukutshintsha ligama lakhe, akakhona ukutshintsha sibongo sakhe laphayana ku-Instagram. Tinto kumele nje tihlale tinjengoba tinjalo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Say goodbye.